Hello, my good friends. I believe you are doing okay. In this video or in this lesson, we are going to look at we're still on topic 2 under algebra, which is algebra there, lesson 1.2. So we've covered lesson 1.0, lesson 1.1, and this is lesson 1.2. Lesson 1.1 was about simplifying. Then lesson 1.0 was about simplifying. Lesson 1.1, expansion and simplifying. Then lesson 1.2 is factorization. Now, under factorization, we're going to look at 4 types of factorization. Number 1, we're going to look at common factor, and these are the examples. Number 2, we're going to look at grouping terms. Number 3, we're going to look at the difference of 2 squares. Then finally, we're going to look at the quadratic expression, how to factorize quadratic expression. So stay glued and enjoy. Now, the first example is saying factorize 2a minus 4b. Listen and listen very carefully. Understand the meaning of factorize. This is not saying simplify, because you can't simplify this one. This is these are unlike terms. This is 2, this is a, this is b. Even all these are unlike what? Unlike terms. So there is no way you can simplify. So factorizing, it means that since we can't add here or subtract, look for what is common, okay, in all the sides. All right, look for what is common. Now when you look at this one, can 2 go into 2? Yes. Can 2 go into 4? Yes. If the answer is yes, then 2 is a common. So 2 is a common what? A common factor. Okay? 4 can go into 4, but 4 can't go into 2. So 4 can be a common, can be a factor. Now, this is in terms of numbers. Now, in terms of variables, check. There is a here, and here there is b. So nothing is common here. So we're going to open the brackets like this. We're going to do this. Then we divide. 2 into 2 is 1. But we can't write 1 here. We just write a. Okay? In front of a there is 1. 2 into 2, 1. There is a 1 here. Okay? Then 2 into negative 4 is negative. 2 into 4 is 2, So there is a positive here, remember. Positive divided by negative is always negative. It's the same as multiplying. Positive times negative is negative. Then 2 into 4 is 2. Then since there is a b there, the b will come the way it is. And this is the answer. You see, it's very simple to factorize, right? Very good. So let's go to the same. Let's use the same principle. Let's start with numbers first. Can 5 go into 5? Yes. Can 5 go into 10? Yes. So 5, in terms of numbers, 5 is a common factor. Are we together? Okay. Now, in terms of letters or variables, a is common. There is a here, even here there is a. So we're going to write a. Okay. B is common. There is b here, and also here there is b. Now, which one are you writing? Are you writing b squared or b? We are writing b. Okay. We are writing b, because b squared can't go into b, but b can go into b squared 2 times. Are we together? So we're going to write b there. Then open bracket. 5 into 5, 1. A into a, 1. Okay? Then b into b squared, we remain with how many b's? 1b. Okay? Then positive divided by negative. Remember what I said here, it's negative. 5 into 10 is 2 times. A will cancel. B and B will cancel. So remaining with this, then you close, and this is the answer. Are we together? Let's hope you are understanding. Now listen, if you want to prove that your answer is correct, expand this. Remember what we did in the previous lesson, expansion. So it's very simple here. 2 times A, it is 2A. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4B. See, it's bringing us back to the question. All right? So don't prove in the exam. Okay, don't show them that you know. Even this one, you can prove it. What number is in front here? 1. 5 times 1, 5. 8, there's only one A, so just A will just come here. B times B is not 2B, it is B squared. All right? 5 positive times negative, negative. 5 times 2, 10. Since they have you don't have any other variables there, these will come the way they are as A, B. Same as the question, you see? So it's very simple. It's as simple as this. Okay? Can we go to the last question? Yes. So the last question, the last example here is saying 24x squared plus 72x. All right. So now we always start with numbers. There is 24 here, there is 72. You ask yourself, can 24 go into 24? Yes. Can 24 go into 72? Remember, we're not supposed to use a calculator. Okay. Now, what do you do? Try. What is 24 plus 24? When you add 4 plus 4 here, it is 8. And here it is what? 4. So it's 48. Let's add another 24. Okay. So 8 plus 4, 12. 2 carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 72. So 24 goes into 72. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Nice. So in terms of numbers here, the highest common factor, remember, 2 can go into 24 and into 72. Okay? But we can't use that one because that is not the highest common factor. The highest common factor, which is abbreviated as HCF, highest common factor, is the last number to go in both or in all the numbers. Okay? So here it is 24. Then in terms of variables or letters, x is common. There is x squared here, then there's x. Remember what I said, you write the lower power variable, which is x, just x there. Open bracket, 24 into 24 remain with 1. X into x squared is just a single x. Okay? Then positive divided by positive, it is positive. 24 into 72, it is 3 times. Okay? So if you wanted, you would have just multiplied 24 times 3, it is 72, to know that this one is a common factor. All right? So x, we don't have an a here, so this a will come the way it is, a there. X will cancel, so this will be the answer. Okay? You can still prove if this is correct by multiplying 24 times 1 here, it is 24. X times x, it is x squared. 24 times 3 is 72. X ax, okay? 72ax, which is the question, like the question there. You see? So that's it. That's it for this lesson. If there is a point where you haven't understood, please ask in the comment section. Okay? I will be glad to help you there. Are we together, people? Okay? Please make sure if you've just joined us on lesson 1.2. Make sure to go through all the lesson 1.1 and 1.0 for you to prepare you for this party. So this is a common factor. So let me just write your exercise. Okay, so this is your work, my good friends. This is your work. You have 6 questions. All right, and a common factor. All right, so try these out. Please do not take too long to answer these questions. All right, because you're delaying the lessons. I can't proceed to the next topic or the next lesson if I don't know whether you have understood or not. Okay, this part. So please do justice, do yourself a favor by answering these questions on time. Okay? All the best.